Are you searching for the perfect bandsaw to upgrade your woodworking workshop? Whether you're a beginner creating your first DIY project, or an experienced woodworker crafting fine furniture, choosing the right bandsaw can make all the difference. A quality bandsaw delivers smooth, curved cuts, precise straight cuts, and powerful resawing capabilities, making it one of the most versatile tools in any shop. In today's video, we're counting down the best bandsaws for woodworking based on cutting performance, power, accuracy, build quality, features, and overall value. From budget-friendly benchtop models to professional-grade machines, we'll help you find the perfect bandsaw for your needs. So stay tuned as we reveal the top bandsaws that deserve a place in your workshop. Let's get started. Number 1. Jet JWB-10 10-inch bandsaw with stand. The Jet JWB-10 10-inch bandsaw with stand is a reasonably powerful and versatile tool for a small machine. This bandsaw features a powerful 1/2 horsepower motor that can handle tough cuts, making it ideal for ripping and cross-cutting large pieces of wood. The 10-inch blade capacity allows for working with larger pieces of wood, while the cast iron table provides a stable and durable surface for cutting. The stand that comes with the bandsaw is heavy-duty, allowing for a solid and stable base to work with. The JWB-10 also includes a quick-release blade tension lever and a blade tracking adjustment. This makes for easy adjustments and blade replacement. The fence is nothing special, but it's better than most small bandsaws. This tool is great for beginning woodworkers or hobbyists. Number 2. Grizzly G0555LX Deluxe Bandsaw 14. For the woodworker on a budget, this is a good 14-inch bandsaw. The Grizzly is equipped with all the basic features you will need in a bandsaw. It's an industrial-grade bandsaw, thus the price. This saw cuts nicely with well-made guides that keep the blade straight, and a decent amount of power. The 14-inch bandsaw has a large cutting area to help you handle bigger jobs. The Grizzly G0555 has a 6-inch maximum cutting height, good if you'll be handling thicker pieces of lumber. Its frame is made well, so expect it to be a stable base while cutting. However, the fence is not the best, but I guess that's acceptable for this price. Number 3. Jet-14 SFX14 Steel Frame Bandsaw. The Jet-14 SFX is a bit more expensive, but it's a better machine. Jet is owned by Powermatic, so you know the quality is top-notch. It has a cast iron table that has 360 sq/in of the surface. The aluminum fence is surprisingly good and is a great height for resawing. The saw comes equipped with Jet's adjustable blade guard for easy and simple adjustment. The Jet-14 bandsaw has 13 inches of cutting capacity. The dust ports are 4-inch for ultimate dust collection. It's a mid-range machine, definitely not as lightweight as the previous, but not a heavy-duty one either. I recommend this saw for those in a small or medium shop. It has a small footprint and a heavy-duty base. The design is ideal for cutting medium-sized pieces of wood. Great for woodworkers, a garage or basement shop who need an affordable and quality bandsaw. Good performance without breaking your budget. Number 4. Powermatic 15-inch Woodworking Bandsaw. If you like a superb 15 bandsaw, the Powermatic's PM1515 is the way to go. And like any Powermatic-made product, everyone will say, you get what you pay for. This has a very powerful HP motor and is able to cut what it needs at top-level precision. Its T-square style Aku fence provides an extra level of safety and accuracy. And like its big 20 brother, Powermatic's PM1515 blade tension with electrical interlock is a great addition for safety. A few extra well-thought-out details are the fence, which is smooth, sturdy, and tall, perfect for resawing. Also, the protective guard has a measuring gauge, adding an extra layer of precision and protection. Number 5. Laguna 18 HD Bandsaw. Moving on to the bigger options, the Laguna Tools MBAND 185,400 Italian 18 HD Bandsaw. I have had this bandsaw in my shop for over a decade. For some reason, it was reviewed badly on Amazon, but it's the third best on my list. Like a Ferrari, it's Italian-made. The welds and seams are excellent. At 4.5 horsepower, 5 horsepower, it's a lot of power and cuts smoothly. At this price, it comes with a lot of bells and whistles. It has 14-inch wheels and a 12-inch height capacity. I'm able to tilt its cast iron table 7 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right. This creates a range of cuts I can make with this bandsaw. I also bought the optional Pro Light system for better illumination on my work. The quick-release tension lever on the bandsaw blade is a big plus. I love this very dependable machine. I've had mine for quite a while and have never encountered any problems with it. It's a great machine for a professional woodworker at a decent price point. And if you're a serious woodworker, it's a steal.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.